Discover the top Amazon home and kitchen gadgets that perfectly blend smart design with everyday practicality. From time-saving tools to stylish organizers, these picks will make your daily routine feel effortless. Check out all product links in the description below. Medea Dual Basket Air Fryer Oven 11 Quart. A versatile multi-function air fryer designed for family meals with ease. Features dual baskets, a clear viewing window, and smart sync finish for perfectly timed dishes. Supports Alexa and Wi-Fi control with access to 50+ app recipes. An all-in-one solution for baking, roasting, grilling, broiling, and more. Toadfish Shrimp Deveiner Tool. A streamlined seafood prep tool crafted for quick and clean results. Built with a stainless steel butterfly blade and full tang strength for durability. Ergonomic and efficient, it peels, deveins, and butterflies shrimp in one motion. A kitchen essential for seafood lovers and home chefs. Egoster Panini Press Grill 3-in-1. A compact, ceramic-coated grill designed for effortless sandwiches and grilling. Opens 180 degrees to fit foods of any size with non-stick plates for easy cleanup. Includes a drip spout and locking lid for tidy, even cooking. A versatile, everyday tool for paninis, meats, and quick meals. Greenlife 6-Quart Slow Cooker. A family-friendly slow cooker with a PFAS-free ceramic non-stick interior for healthier cooking. The removable bowl is stovetop and oven-safe for seamless prep. Features programmable settings, a keep warm mode, and a clear glass lid. A modern solution for soups, roasts, and set-and-forget meals. Sensart White Ceramic Saucepan 1.5 Quart. A compact, non-stick saucepan designed for everyday cooking. Made with a PFAS-free white granite ceramic coating and a stay-cool handle for comfort. Induction-compatible and easy to clean, ideal for sauces, reheating, and small portions. A stylish and safer addition to any kitchen. Enchanti Magic Glass Teapot 800 milliliters. A whimsical glass teapot crafted for loose-leaf brewing with a built-in infuser. Features magnetic water separation for smooth pouring and a clear, enchanting design. Perfect for herbal blends, rituals, and mindful tea moments. A charming choice for tea lovers and collectors. Nostalgia Bacon Express Grill. A compact vertical grill designed for perfectly crisp bacon with minimal mess. Cooks evenly while reducing grease, keeping the kitchen clean. Simple to load and easy to wipe down after use. A fun, convenient upgrade for breakfast lovers. Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set 2025 Update. A modern automatic grinder set built with quick switch silos for instant seasoning changes. Stainless steel construction with adjustable coarseness and USB rechargeable power. Features 3 large capacity bins for extended use. A sleek and efficient addition to any kitchen. Carbon steel wall-mounted spice rack. A durable, slide-out spice organizer designed for easy access and smooth movement. Features dual-direction pull-out, 3 silent sliders, and a no-drill installation. High-end carbon steel offers long-lasting strength. A smart, space-saving upgrade for modern kitchens. Bento Box Adult Lunchbox with Bag. A stylish, stackable lunchbox built with divided compartments for organized meals. Designed for adults with a sleek black finish and leak-resistant construction. Includes a matching lunch bag for easy transport. A practical and elegant solution for work, school, or travel. Comfy Mini Rice Cooker 4 cups cooked. A compact rice cooker designed for quick, convenient meals. Offers 6 cooking functions, a non-stick interior, and a 24-hour delay timer. Perfect for rice, oatmeal, grains, and one-pot dishes. An ideal portable cooker for small kitchens, offices, and dorms. Silicone ice cube trays 3-pack. A flexible, leak-proof ice tray set designed for easy freezing and stacking. Features large square molds with removable lids to prevent spills and odors. Made from BPA-free silicone for effortless release. A convenient upgrade for cocktails, whiskey, and everyday cooling. New Wave Pro Plus 2 Infrared Oven. A powerful countertop oven engineered for fast, healthy cooking. Combines infrared, convection, and conduction heat for 360 degrees results. No preheating or defrosting needed. Includes 100 presets, 50 memory slots, and a durable power dome. A versatile solution for fresh or frozen meals. Belmain Stainless Steel Colander 5 Cute. A durable 18/8 stainless steel colander built for efficient draining. Features sturdy handles and a perforation pattern optimized for pasta, veggies, fruits, and rinsing. Rust-resistant, stable, and kitchen-ready. A dependable essential for everyday cooking. Mini Vacuum Sealer 3-in-1 Cordless. A compact, rechargeable sealer designed for quick food preservation. Works with dry or moist foods and includes snack bags for on-the-go storage. Also functions as a heat sealer for chip bags and an inflation pump for swim rings and balls. A portable, multi-purpose kitchen helper. McCone Microwave Sandwich Maker. A quick-cooking microwave grill that crisps sandwiches, melts cheese, and heats panini-style meals. Designed with non-stick plates for even browning and easy cleanup. Dishwasher safe and fast heating, perfect for grilled flavors in minutes. Electric Food Steamer 15 Cute 3-tier. A high-capacity steamer crafted for fast, simultaneous cooking. Features 3 stainless steel tiers, 1,200 watts of power, a 24-hour delay start, and automatic shutoff. BPA-free and family-friendly. Ideal for veggies, seafood, dumplings, and meal prep. CansLab Turbo Rechargeable Can Opener. A sleek electric can opener built for smooth, hands-free operation. Features a pro-grade side-cut blade, auto-stop function, and LED battery display. USB-C rechargeable and wall-mountable for easy access. A clean, safe way to open cans with 0 sharp edges. Presto Showtime Gourmet Oil Popcorn Popper 9 cup. A compact popcorn maker designed for crisp oil-infused flavor. Includes a built-in serving bowl and ceramic non-stick interior for easy cleanup. PFAS-free and ready for movie nights, snacks, and quick batches. Space Key Espresso Machine 20 bar. A powerful espresso maker with a 20-bar pump for rich cafe-quality shots. Features a built-in milk frother, a compact stainless steel body, and a 39-ounce removable tank. Perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, Americanos, and daily brewing at home. Husk Hand-Forged Butcher Knife Set 3-piece. A rugged, artisan-crafted knife trio featuring Serbian, Viking, and boning blades. Designed for meat prep, barbecues, and outdoor cooking, with durable, hand-forged steel. Sharp, balanced, and gift-ready. Ideal for chefs and grill enthusiasts. Bear Multifunctional Food Steamer 8.5 Cute. A digital 2-tier steamer offering quick, even cooking with 1,200 watts of power. Features stainless steel baskets, a one-touch interface, timer function, and auto shutoff with anti-dry protection. Great for veggies, seafood, and healthy meals. Joy Crinkle Cutter Knife. A fun, wavy slicer designed for shaping vegetables, fruits, and snacks. Made with stainless steel and BPA-free materials. Safe for beginners and great as a kid-friendly starter tool. A simple way to add playful cuts to any dish. 2-liter stainless steel deep fryer pot with basket. Fry your favorites to crispy perfection with this 304 stainless steel deep fryer pot. Includes a removable basket and oil strainer lid for safe, mess-free cooking. Ideal for fries, chicken, and Japanese tempura. Durable, heat-resistant, and easy to clean. A home essential for golden, restaurant-quality results. Butyl Silicone Sponge Set 2-pack. Upgrade your dishwashing routine with these non-scratch silicone scrub sponges. Long-lasting and hygienic, they resist odors and dry quickly between uses. The dual-sided texture removes grease without damaging surfaces, and the suction hook design keeps them neatly stored. Reusable, eco-friendly, and stylish. Cleaning just got smarter. Greenlife 12-inch 5QT Equatorial Skillet. Cook with confidence and style using the Greenlife 5QT electric skillet, featuring a ceramic PFS-free nonstick surface and scratch-resistant turquoise finish. It delivers quick and even heating for all your favorite meals. The adjustable temperature control ensures precision, while the glass-vented lid and cool touch handles make it safe and effortless to use. A perfect blend of modern design and everyday functionality. Mini 3-in-1 Cordless Vacuum Sealer. Preserve freshness anywhere with this mini cordless vacuum sealer. Compact and rechargeable, it combines vacuum sealing, heat sealing, and inflation functions in one portable design. Ideal for sealing dry or moist foods, snacks, or inflating small items like swim rings and balls. Includes reusable bags for convenience. Sleek, efficient, and perfect for home, travel, or outdoor use. 2-piece glass seasoning bottle set. Elevate your kitchen organization with these glass seasoning bottles. Designed with built-in measuring tops, they allow precise dispensing of salt, pepper, paprika, sugar, and more. Crafted from BPA-free materials, these bottles blend functionality with elegant simplicity. A must-have for clean, modern kitchens and flavorful cooking. Tasty 8-in-1 Ceramic Air Fryer. Experience gourmet results at home with the Tasty 5.5 QT Ceramic Air Fryer, featuring 24 one-touch presets, a smart temperature probe, and digital controls. It air fries, dehydrates, and roasts with ease. The non-stick ceramic basket and viewing window make cooking and cleanup effortless. Sleek, efficient, and PFS-free. This is the future of healthy, crispy cooking. Stainless steel Al Pastor Vertical Skewer Set. Bring authentic flavors to your grill with this stainless steel Al Pastor Skewer Set. Includes 3 removable spikes, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch, and a sturdy vertical stand for grilling tacos al pastor, shawarma, or kebabs. Designed for use on grills, smokers, or ovens, it ensures even roasting and easy cleanup. Durable, versatile, and perfect for backyard chefs and barbecue lovers. Create creamy homemade treats with ease using the Pukamp ice cream maker. Includes 2 freezer bowls for back-to-back batches and simple one-button operation for effortless use. Its sleek, easy-to-clean design ensures quick cleanup after every dessert. Perfect for families, gatherings, or a personal indulgence. Enjoy cafe-quality ice cream right at home. Experience professional juicing performance with this multifunctional household juicer. Designed with automatic juice slag separation, it extracts fresh, nutrient-rich juice without the mess. The high-speed 220-volt motor and commercial-grade design make it ideal for fruits, vegetables, and even harder ingredients. Elegant, efficient, and built for both home and small business use. Keep meals perfectly fresh with the OmiBox insulated lunchbox. Features 3 leak-proof compartments and a vacuum-insulated food jar that keeps food warm or cool for hours. Durable, colorful, and kid-friendly, it's ideal for balanced, on-the-go lunches. Designed with convenience and fun in mind. Nutrition made simple and stylish. Organize your kitchen with the Zevro dual-control dry food dispenser. Each 17.5-ounce container dispenses measured portions with a simple twist, keeping snacks, cereal, or pet food fresh and accessible. The black and chrome finish adds a modern touch to any space. Clean, convenient, and built for everyday use. Effortless storage made elegant. Preserve your favorite foods with this high-capacity 12-tray dehydrator. Powered by an 800-watt heating system, it offers 190 degrees F temperature control and a 24-hour timer for precise drying. Perfect for jerky, fruits, herbs, and yogurt with 10.9 square feet of drying space for bulk batches. Durable stainless steel construction ensures years of reliable performance. Keep your ingredients fresher up to 5 times longer with the InstaSeal vacuum sealer. The compact, upright design saves space while sealing everything from marinades and soups to meats and vegetables. Perfect for sous vide cooking or long-term storage. Easy to use, efficient, and complete with starter bags. Preserve freshness like a pro. Simplify outdoor cooking with this portable meal prep station. Designed for camping, tailgating, or backyard barbecues, it offers a sturdy workspace with organized compartments for utensils and ingredients. Lightweight and foldable for easy transport and setup. The ultimate on-the-go kitchen companion for food prep anywhere. Cook smarter with the StirMax Plus digital multi-cooker. Features an automatic stirring paddle and 9-in-1 programmable presets to sauté, sear, brown, simmer, and more. The 7.5 quart capacity makes it perfect for family meals, while the included accessories and cookbook inspire endless recipes. Powerful, versatile, and designed to save time in every kitchen. Revolutionize your kitchen with the Tokit OmniCook C2 Smart Cooking Robot. This advanced all-in-one food processor offers 21 automatic cooking functions, including blending, frying, steaming, chopping, and stirring. Guided by AI technology and 3,000+ free recipes, it brings chef-level precision to every meal. Sleek, intuitive, and powerful, your ultimate partner for effortless gourmet cooking. PUR Plus Vertical Faucet Mount Water Filtration System. Enjoy cleaner, great-tasting water with the PUR Plus Faucet Filtration System. Reduces lead, chlorine, and impurities while maintaining essential minerals. The easy vertical mount fits most standard faucets and delivers up to 100 gallons of filtered water per cartridge. Simple to install and built for everyday convenience. Pure refreshment, instantly at your sink. 4.3-inch stainless steel pizza cutter wheel. Slice through pizza like a pro with this extra-large stainless steel pizza cutter. The 4.3-inch ultra-sharp blade glides effortlessly through crusts, cheese, and toppings. Includes a safety blade cover for worry-free storage and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Durable, ergonomic, and built for precision. Every cut perfectly clean. Cool Night Electric Herb Grinder. To grind herbs and spices effortlessly with this Cool Night high-speed electric grinder. Designed with a large capacity chamber and powerful motor, it delivers fast, even results every time. The wood grain finish adds a stylish touch to your countertop. Ideal for cooking, tea blends, or aromatherapy. Fresh flavor at the touch of a button. Manual ice crusher machine with 3 ice trays. Enjoy refreshing treats anytime with this manual ice crusher and snow cone maker. Comes with 3 reusable ice trays and a durable hand crank design for smooth, fluffy ice in seconds. Perfect for smoothies, cocktails, and frozen desserts. Compact, portable, and easy to clean. A must-have for summer gatherings and home bars. 500-watt powerful immersion blender. Blend, mix, and puree with power and precision using this 500-watt immersion blender. Features turbo mode, detachable base, and 304 stainless steel blades for silky soups, smoothies, and baby food. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's built for daily kitchen use. Efficiency meets versatility in one compact handheld design.